Are you planning to travel but do not know where to begin your packing from? So this video is here to help you out with this problem. However, before I proceed, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Before you start packing your items, it's better to make a note on a diary or a paper of all the items that you would be taking along, which will be useful before traveling and when you're returning. So let's begin. Now here we will take these items which we use mostly on a daily basis. So your toothbrush with your toothpaste, along with a deodorant, Q-tip, a needle thread in case of an emergency, perfume, your cosmetics and your Cortex in case if you all are ladies, and then a balm or any ointment which you all use, a cream, a face cream, a hair gel, then your blow dryer and your hairbrush, safety pin, daily medication, nail clipper, hand sanitizer, soap and shampoo, and if you all are male, then you all will need your shaving kit, and finally a small notepad with a pen just in case if you all need to make note of anything or for any other purpose as well. Now let's move into the clothing section, what we need to pack. When it comes to clothing, you need to decide basically if you're going just for a casual visit or a casual trip, or you're going for a function. Based on that, you'll have to take in your clothes. If the place is cold, you'll have to take warmers or shawl or a jacket to keep yourself warm. And based on that, you all will have to take your footwear, maybe flip-flops or sports shoes or heels or formal shoes or even Crocs. Now when you're going out, you all can make use of a cap or an umbrella in case if it is too hot. An umbrella could be handy in case if that place is having a rainy weather. Do not forget to take your watch and your other accessories, your jewelry, your clips, and most importantly your pajamas. Try to take jeans and t-shirts which would match very well so that you all can switch in case if there is a mishappen on the jeans or a t-shirt. Then do not forget your towel, your undergarments, your socks, as well as pocket tissue, which will be very helpful, and also a backpack where you can put in all your important things which can be accessible when you're traveling anywhere in another place. Now let's move to the next section, which has our electronic devices. When you're traveling, you'll need to take in your identity card and your travel documents. That includes your ticket, your hotel accommodation and other things. Then you'll need your mobile phones as well as headphones, a charger for your mobile, as well as a power bank, which is very handy. In case if you all are traveling for official purposes, you all will need to take a laptop with a charger and a USB. Do not forget your wallet with all the important cards, and keep in some extra cash just in case of emergency. Take in a universal travel adapter. This will be very useful. Your keys. Do not forget to take biscuit and some candies in case if you feel hungry. Take in travel mugs, travel cups and travel bottles where you can fill in water and carry them as and when you are going around. Do not forget your specs, your sunglasses, your neck pillows, as well as your mask, and a small diary to make note of other things which are important. In case if you all are praying, you all are religious, take your other religious items as well. So that's it. These are all the things that you all would require when you all are traveling. If you all have anything else that has popped in your mind and I have missed out, please do mention it in the comment section. In case if you all are traveling with infants or toddlers and you all need help with the items that you all need to carry, do leave in a message.